This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Pat Wiss. Welcome to this neat and clean, updated and maintenance-free home located in the heart of Sun City Center, Florida's premier 55-plus active living community. Much love and care has gone into creating this cheerful masterpiece, including easy care with laminate flooring and tile throughout. This unit has a nice western exposure, custom driveway, and a separate laundry and utility room off the two-car garage. As you enter into the formal living and dining room and move through to the family room, you will be delighted with the open concept. The kitchen boasts new cabinets, granite counters, newer appliances, and is open to the dining room and family room, so you can always be socializing even when you are cooking. The sliders in the family room lead to a small patio where you can relax or grill your favorite foods. Both bathrooms have been updated with new cabinets and granite counters. This lovely home is located just south of Tampa in Sun City Center, Florida's most affordable active living senior community, with an exceptional range of recreational and social amenities. The community boasts 4 heated pools, indoor Olympic lap pool, resistance pool and outdoor pool, a state-of-the-art fitness center, a sports complex, an arts and crafts building, softball, pickleball, tennis, arts/crafts, model train, woodworking, lawn bowling, dancing, nearly 200 social and sports clubs, and endless entertainment resources, all accessible by golf cart. Large clubhouse, plenty of golfing opportunities, and for an optional fee, access to Renaissance's spectacular country club, restaurant and private amenities. Located near world-class beaches, sporting events, theme parks, downtown Tampa, and conveniently located between Tampa and Sarasota Airport. Sun City Center has the very best medical facilities with its own hospital and free ambulatory and paramedic services. Call today and start living your dream tomorrow. For more information, review the details below or contact Pat Wiss at 813-642-1500.